screens out. Here we go. BSB Manufacturing Racing Champions. Race is underway.
Down into turns 1 and 2. Front row starters, Skylar Woods and Joseph Cooper. Wow, Cooper, big surge down the back straightaway. They're going to stair step it 3 wide into turn number 3, but Spencer Galloway will slide up, take that second spot off of 4.
Down the front straightaway, going to be that 37 of Derek Murphy out of Colorado Springs, Colorado to the inside. The 11 machine of Joseph Cooper to the racing. Oh, Murphy's down around to the infield. Tough break for the driver. Now you see Bannister up into the number 3 spot down the front straightaway. Here comes Jake Sacco. Sacco with Sparkler's Instincts down the front straightaway. Sacco back in 5. Woods is 4. 3 is Bannister. 2 is Galloway, and your race leader is still the 11 of Cooper coming to lap number 3.
Galloway with a big run to the inside of your race leader. He'll trail him by just over 0.2 of a second. In third, that 151 of Bannister. Man, Galloway has made a good job of reeling in that 11 car of Cooper. Remember that big lead he took down the back straightaway on the first lap. Galloway now going to push him up the hill. He'll take over the lead, shuffles Cooper back to second with 4 laps down and 8 to go. Here comes Bannister off a 2 a 3 car race for the lead.
Oh my, down the back straightaway, that 151 of Bannister coming on the inside, the driver out of Bakersfield, working to the daily double, can he get it? They come together down the front straightaway. It will be right there, still your leader Galloway, Bannister, and Cooper. It will the 14 of Sacco find that rhythm and kind of start to reel him in, looking at it. Kind of right there, about same speed as the 3 cars in front of him, but they're catching. 6 down, 6 to go, flags are crossed.
Spencer Galloway leads him down into 1 and 2, and again, Jerry, whoever wins this, they have a lifetime membership to the Race of Champions qualifying. You don't have to do anything else, just win this race. Sacco has been a man on a mission all week long. He'll drop to the inside of Cooper. Slides up, takes away that 3rd spot off of turn number 4. Cooper trying to get a run back on a crossover. They'll stay side by side into turns 1 and 2. Off of that corner, though, it is Spencer Galloway by half a second over Bannister.
Down the back straightaway, Galloway, Bannister, Jake Sacco now into the number 3 spot. They come on hustling on down. 8 down, they're 4, 8 in. There's 4 circuits remaining. Down into turn number 1 and 2, down the back straightaway, that 35 machine, Spencer Galloway is your leader into turn number 3, 4. Here comes Bannister. White Castles are served.
Bannister crosses up in front of him, but Galloway will get him back on the low side. He'll take the top spot down into turns 1 and 2. Another slider from Bannister. Look out, here comes Galloway. Here comes Sacco. He'll join him on the low side down into turns 3 and 4. Now it's a slider from the 14. Look at the battle for the race lead. 3 deep off the 4 with 2 laps to go.
Doctor, here we go. Sacco around the outside, Bannister down to the inside. The white's going to come out this time. They'll work that into turn number 3 and 4. It's going to be Sacco. Bannister's going to slide it on up. They come together. Bannister's around. The battle's now a 2-car race for the lead. Galloway locks on into the number 1 spot. Off of 2, you're going to watch Sacco. Sacco with a run to the outside. Down the back straightaway, Ryan, 2 to go.
2 to go. We're coming to the checkers. 2 corners to go. Wheel to wheel off of that 4th turn. Sacco up top is your Race of Champions winner. Holy mackerel. It is Jake Sacco back to back in the BSB Manufacturing Race of Champions. He won it in 22. He won it in 23. He won the Prelude. He won a qualifier last night. Wow. Holy cow.
What a race!
What a race, what a week. That's among the best we've ever seen, not just in the ROC, but anything here during Super Nationals.
I mean, when you looked at it at the halfway point, Sacco was 10 to 15 car lengths behind your leader, 5 car lengths behind the race for 3rd, and he trailed him down, tracked him down. Wow.
You got to feel sorry for Bannister, too, because he was ripping, wasn't he?
Oh, he just slid it up there and made contact. You saw some damage. Well, you see it right there where the inside door is wrinkled on up. But wait, I guarantee you, it's going to be an awful excited Jake Sacco, who has had total domination in the Friesen Performance IMCA Northern Sport Mods this year.
He is the first to go back-to-back, and he joins Doug Smith as the only multi-time winners of the Sportmod ROC. Unbelievable race.
Going off like a froggo in a socko. Put your hands together, Jake Socko. Boy, how about them apples? You got a pretty sexy-looking trophy coming your way. You better get that first. Get a hold of that. Come on, folks, put your hands together for Jake Socko. That was a great race. You know, it's cool to win a race, but it's even cooler to win a great race.
Man, that was wild. I haven't been that worked up in a long time, but I told the guys I wasn't here to run second. We're going to win them all, try winning them all. So I knew it was coming. I wasn't lifting. I didn't care. So
there was 3 of you going at it at one point. So, mate, Jerry was rolling the White Castles out big time. What a great race. This racetrack, kudos to the guys that worked this track.
They are doing awesome. That's how you produce a great race right there. That was fun. Bannister kid, I never raced with him. I know he's good, and I guarantee you did not expect to see me sliding in there, but, man, that was wild.
First time back-to-back winner. That's got to feel good too.
Absolutely. Just tore the left side up there, but whatever. Hopefully we can put this thing out front Saturday night. Forgot to thank Twin Transfer last night and the Prelude night. That guy helped me get this car. Yeah.
So tell me, are you worried about being this good this early, or can you carry this kind of form all week?
I'm racing a stock car, so I think sitting in that the rest of the week's going to help me stay calm and good, I guess. When Saturday comes, I'm not going to be ain't been out of the car all week. So,
how hard is it to run those two classes? Do they complement each other in any way?
Absolutely not. Them stock cars are lead sleds, man. They slide around, but it makes you better just sitting in the car all the time.
Means you don't burn horsepower, right? You try to keep the thing straight.
Absolutely. Trail brake nonstop.
Don't you, mate? Well done. Well done.
Thank you.
He's on fire, this man, the Sockmeister. Doing a heck of a job. Boy, that race was worth the price of admission, boys.